Hello students, आज हम start करना exercise problem of continuity. So that is from exercise 7a. So starting from number 1, our first question is examine the continuity at the indicating points. जिन pointer दिया है, हम same point वन को function टा continuous हो जाए ना देखो. Okay, so first question है f of x is equal to x square minus a square by x minus a when x is not equal to a and a when x is equal to a. At x is equal to a point रे हमको देखवा रहे जो फंक्शन टा कंटिन्यूअस हवा की नहीं हुई. ओके सो कंटिन्यूअस हवा लेना दरकार लिमिट x टेंड्स टू a माइनस f of x is equal to limit x टेंड्स टू a प्लस f of x is equal to f of a. It is our left hand limit, it is our right hand limit, and it is our value of the point, value of the function at that point. So, जदि left hand limit और right hand limit रे आमर यदि समान आसवा, and value of the point भी यदि समान आसवा, then we say that f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Okay, so एबे के जो कोटा क्वेश्चन अच्छे जन जगह रे at x is equal to a point रे a रो माइनस a रो टिके छोट जहाँ भी आसवा हमको ये वैल्यू टा दबा फंक्शन टा a रो अधिका भी जहाँ आसवा फंक्शन टा वैल्यू सेटा ही दबा. ठीक है, हम फंक्शन टा x स्क्वायर माइनस s स्क्वायर बाय x माइनस a ही ना. ठीक है, सो जन जगह रे हमको ग्रेटर देन लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एंड लेस देन इक्वल टू चिन्ह देवा से जगह रे हमें लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट और राइट हैंड लिमिट का. ओके, जन जगह रे नॉट इक्वल टू सिंबल दे देवा मींस ए रो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे भी जन वैल्यू आउसे फंक्शन रे वैल्यू जहां राइट हैंड साइड रे भी फंक्शन रे वैल्यू सही है तो सही जगह रे हमें डायरेक्ट लिमिट इवैल्यूएट कर देबे चलवा. Just like Amazon question अभी करना, see W question. So our first question डाला f of x is equal to x square minus a square by x minus a. So at x is equal to a रे limit टा कना आसवा. So limit x tends to a x square minus a square by x minus a. Using factorization method, factorization method कना होगा. So this is equal to limit x tends to a x square minus x square के x minus a into x plus a by x minus a. So x minus a cancel out हो गया. बाकी रहेगा limit x tends to a x plus a. जब मैं x जगह रे a पुट कर में कहाँ आसवा a plus a 2a. So limiting value टा है 2a means at x is equal to a this function का value limiting value टा उससे 2a. फंक्शन रा वैल्यू टा कहते मींस f ऑफ a टा कहते आसबो at x is equal to a the functional value is a. ठीक है जी. सो limit x tends to a f of x is not equal to f of a. h limit टा 2a हे गेला और फंक्शन रा वैल्यू टा a आसी गेला. hence we say that this f of x is not continuous at x is equal to. Okay, similarly we can prove for the second. So second question, that is limit or f of x is equal to sin 2x by x. f of x is equal to sin 2x by x if x is not equal to 0 and 2 if x is equal to 0. So obviously जेतु x not equal to 0 होचा हम डायरेक्ट लिमिट काढे दे पारबा. So limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by x equal to हम काढे करबा जेतु ऊपर 2x अछि हम जगह रे 2 नै जमा and multiply 2 करबा. जेतु 2 रे डिवाइड करा है 2 टे हमें multiply भी करबा. Now we have the formula limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x कितने हैं 1 है h x tends to 0 implies 2x also tends to 0. ठीक है सो इधर वैल्यू कितना से गला so this is equal to इधर वैल्यू गला 1 so this is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now functional value f of 0 0 रे वैल्यू टा केते दउचे 2 so this is equal to 2 which is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. Limiting value टा और functional value टा समान होचे hence we say that the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0 at the indicating point x is equal to 0. Similarly, next question, that is f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x to the power 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 plus 2x to the power 1 by x. So limit बाहर करना, limit x tends to 0 1 plus 2x to the power 1 by x. So first year रे हमें दिला पढ़े दिला 11th रे और ये formula दिला for this type of question limit x tends to 0 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x is equal to e to the power a is equal to e to the power a formula मन रखे 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x is equal to e to the power a. You can derive this formula by expanding this 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x. हमर series expansion के लिए हमें इधर वीडियो में खाली करना ठीक है. Now limit x tends to 0 1 plus 2x to the power 1 by x में ये जगह रे कितने अच्छे ये जगह रे 2 है so this is equal to e to the power 2. Okay, square and functional value at x is equal to 0 functional value टा कितने होची square. So f of 0 is also square which is equal to the limiting value limit x tends to 0 f of x. So limiting value functional value समान असला hence the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. ठीक है. Next question, f of x is equal to x sin 1 by x. Okay, f of x is equal to x sin 1 by x if x not equal to 0. जदि x टा 0 नहीं थिबा then x into sin 1 by x and if x is equal to 0 then it is 0. So first हमें इतना limiting value कढमा. So x sin 1 by x रो at x is equal to 0 रे limiting value कढवार लगी गोटे प्रोसेस अछि. नेक्स्ट रे हमें पढि दिना x sin 1 by x एटा कढवार लगी हम गोटे मेथड टे अछि और गोटे थ्योरम टे भी हम कहि पारो. से थ्योरम टा हला सैंडविच थ्योरम. सैंडविच थ्योरम कना कहउछे if f of x is less than equal to h of x which is less than equal to g of x जदि h of x टा f of x रु बड़ और g of x रु छोट and जदि f of x रो limit means limit x tends to a f of x is equal to limit x tends to a g of x means f of x रो limit at x is equal to a and g of x रो limit at x tends to a जदि समान आसे गला then we say that this implies limit x tends to a h of x भी सही इटा जदि l हैला तो इतर भी लिमिट सही l लिखे ही जीवा इटा के कहउछन बे सैंडविच थ्योरम मींस जदि f of x रो लिमिट और g of x रो लिमिट at x tends to a रे गुटे पॉइंट के गला then h of x रो लिमिट भी सही जगह के जीवा at x tends to a. It is our sandwich theorem. So using this, I am इतर भी limit बाहर करमा x sin 1 by x रो. So x sin 1 by x रे sin 1 by x रो which is less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. Sin 1 by x रो sin the maximum value है 1, minimum value है minus 1. So sin 1 by x is less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. So now multiplying x, सबुद्री x to multiply कर दो. So this implies that minus x less than equal to x sin 1 by x less than equal to x. Okay, ଏବେ धीरे धीरे limit नहीं. Okay, so this implies can point रे करवाना चाहिए limit x tends to 0 minus x less than equal to limit x tends to 0 x sin 1 by x less than equal to limit x tends to 0 x. So limit x tends to 0 minus x रो value टा है 0 and limit x tends to 0 limit x tends to 0 of x इतर भी value है 0 means f of x आउ g of x रो value limiting value गुटे केंटा 0. So h of x रो limit कितना है वो सही समान. So this implies using Saint-Lewis theorem limit x tends to 0 x sin 1 by x is equal to 0. Okay, limiting value आसेगला 0. Functional value at x is equal to 0 it is 0. Okay, so f of 0 is equal to 0 which is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. Okay, now so as a functional value is equal to limiting value, we say that at x is equal to a or at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, this function is continuous. So at x is equal to 0, f of x is continuous. Okay, so it is our number 4. Maybe next question देखो. So our next question does la f of x is equal to x square minus 1 by x minus 1 if x not equal to 0 and 0 if x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 रे at x is equal to 0 रे मुझे तार continuity देखवा है. So first limit बाहर करना. So limit x tends to 0 x square minus 1 by x minus 1. either तक मैं डायरेक्ट x is equal to 0 पुट कर देले भी आबा कैसे लगी 0 पुट कर देला पर 0 0 हे गेला फिर इज minus 1 by 1. So this is equal to minus 1 by 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 1. जदि क्वेश्चन रे किछि चेंज दे देता जदि लिमिट एट x is equal to 1 दे देता देन हम किछि बले चेंज कर दे देता. किंतु जदि बही रे जेतु 0 दै छे तो हमको डायरेक्ट x जगह रे 0 पुट कर देला हमें आंसर तो 1 पाई जे. ओके, जदि क्वेश्चन रे x is not equal to 1 दे देता तो हम क्या कर देता लिमिट x tends to 1 x square minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 into x plus 1 by x minus 1. So x minus 1 कटे देता और x जगह 1 पुटेगा एटा 2 हो जाता. जदि x not equal to 1 दे देता और at x is equal to 1 दे देता हमको बाहर करावा है. जेहेतु बही रे क्वेश्चन टा 0 देछे तो हम डायरेक्ट मेथड रे x is equal to 0 पुट कर देला एटा 0 हे गेला. सो 0 minus 1 minus 1 and 0 minus 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 1. Okay, limiting value हे गेला हमर 1. Functional value at x is equal to 0 it gives 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0 which is not equal to the limiting value. Hence the function is not continuous at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 रे continuous no है. Similarly next question number B है. Limit x tends to 0 sin 1 by x. Limit x tends to 0 sin 1 by x is not exist. कहते लगे h is limit x tends to 0 sin 1 by x it oscillates between -1 and 1. जो तुम्हें x अगर 0 पुट कर दो तो sin 1 by 0 means sin infinity. ओके यदि x अगर 0 पुट कर दो sin 1 by 0 sin 1 by 0 means sin infinity means कहाँ से है so point पे अंदर so at infinite point रे तो एक particular point किसी ने infinite point रा किसी particular point नहीं ना so हमें किसी भी value पाई पर -1 भी पाई पर 1 भी पाई पर 1/2 भी पाई पर -1/2 पाई पर 0 पाई पर किसी भी पाई पर so the value of sin 1 by x oscillates means केते बेले -1 आसबा केते बेले 1 आसबा केते बेले 0 आसबा केते बेले हाफ आसबा केते बेले -1 आसबा so the value of limit x tends to 0 sin 1 by x it oscillates in between -1 and 1 so the function the limit x tends to 0 sin 1 by x it not exist and जदि गोटे point रे limit टा exist नहीं कला the function is not continuous so f of x is not continuous. Okay, next question. F of x is equal to 3x plus 11 at x is equal to minus 11 by 3. So it is a very important question there. जेहेतु ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन अच्छे तो कंटिन्यूटी रे ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर आसला कि मॉडुलस फंक्शन आसला सेटा ऑब्वियसली सेटा गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कहले तार वैल्यूटा सदा बेले चेंज होतो ओके सो ए जगह हम काला करवा ले पड़ो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट भी काढवा ले पड़ो राइट हैंड लिमिट भी काढवा ले पड़ो ओके सो f of x is equal to ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर ऑफ 3x plus 11 कैन पॉइंट काढवा है एट x is equal to minus 11 by 3 रे होते काढवा ओके सो फर्स्ट लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट काढवा लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू for x is equal to minus 11 by 3 minus h 11 by 3 रो टिके छोट okay now if x tends to minus 11 by 3 implies h tends to 0 यदि x टा minus 11 by 3 के जाऊ जे h टा 0 में जाऊ so h टा 0 है x टा minus 11 by 3 है so now the limit x tends to 11 by 3 minus 11 by 3 minus means minus 11 by 3 रो टिके छोट just like this x tends to minus 11 by 3 minus okay f of x that is 3x plus 11 तो अबे रिप्लेस कर दूंगा x tends to minus 11 by 3 के minus 11 by 3 minus के h tends to 0 रिप्लेस करना and here x के minus 11 by 3 minus h replace कर दो so this equal to or this implies limit h tends to 0 x tends to minus 11 by 3 minus टा replace हो गया h tends to 0 रे and here this is 3 into x is equal to this minus 11 by 3 minus h plus 11 which is equal to so limit h tends to 0 3 to multiply करें इधर है minus 11 minus 3h plus 11 so cancel out again so minus 3h रहला minus 3h means h रो वैल्यू टा बहुत छोटा है h इज नेग्लिजिबल बहुत छोटा है so h is nearly equal to 0 but not equal to 0 so जेहेतु माइनस अच्छे minus 3h टा केले भीतर रहबा minus 1 रो 0 भीतर रहबा minus 3h टा छोट वैल्यू टा नेगेटिव छोट वैल्यू टा तो केना जगह रे रहबा ई जगह रे रह 0 रो पाखे किंतु नेगेटिव साइड so greatest integer of so limit h tends to 0 ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर ऑफ -3h किन वैल्यू दवा -1 h कौन से भी वैल्यू जदि कौन से भी पॉइंट -1 ରୁ 0 भितर रहला तार ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर टा -1 सो राइट हैंड लिमिट टा करा राइट हैंड लिमिट लगे x tends to -11/3 plus h and x tends to -11/3 plus h tends to 0 so मते खाली छोट छोट जिनिस रिप्लेस करवा जे the plus and here limit h tends to 0 3 -11/3 plus h okay and this is equal to and आके सॉल्व कर दम किछ नहीं जस्ट x जगह रे सेनो -11/3 माइनस h थिला एबे जेहेतु राइट हैंड लिमिट में नउचे एबे जेहेतु हम राइट हैंड लिमिट काढमा राइट हैंड लिमिट रे काना -11/3 रो टिकी अधिका दैट इज प्लस h and x tends to -11/3 plus and x tends to 0 so limit x tends to -11/3 plus that is 3x plus 11 is equal to limit x tends to 0 3 into -11/3 plus h plus 11 and this is equal to limit h tends to 0 -11 plus 3h plus 11 11 कटेगा and 3h is in between 0 to 1 3h टा 0 ରୁ 1 भितर रहबा जेतु पॉजिटिव है ओके सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 सॉरी 0 जदि 0 ରୁ 1 भितर रहउजे तार ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू हला 0 सो हमर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट ता हला -1 and right hand limit ता हला 0 which are not equal to so left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit hence the function is not continuous at -11/3 similarly next question f of x is equal to e to the power 1 by x minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x plus 1 जगह रे भी हमें लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट राइट हैंड लिमिट बाहर करना कहते देखो बाहर कले कणा हो सो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट लागे x tends to or x is equal to and x is equal to 0 रे कड़ा बार है 0 minus h that is x is equal to minus h and if x tends to 0 implies h tends to 0 so the value is so left hand limit कणा है limit h tends to 0 or x tends to 0 e to the power 1 by x minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x minus 1 के replace करमा x के minus h रे and x tends to 0 के h tends to 0 so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power minus 1 by h minus 1 by e to the power minus 1 by h minus 1 okay now e to the power minus 1 by h is equal to कहीं पर 1 by e to the power 1 by h कहीं पर okay limit h tends to 0 e to the power minus 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 by e to the power 1 by h which is equal to 1 by e to the power 1 by 0 it has equal e to the power infinity so this is equal to 1 by e to the power infinity which is equal to infinity so 1 by infinity is equal to 0 okay so we say that limit h tends to 0 e to the power minus 1 by h is equal to 0 so e value टा आसी गला 0 e value टा आसी गला sorry this is plus okay sorry this is e to the power 1 by x plus 1 and here this is plus 1 so it आसी गला 0 it आसी गला 0 so value कितना आसी जावा so हमार value टा आसी गला minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1 now right hand limit like x is equal to 0 plus h and so this implies x is equal to h and x tends to 0 implies h tends to 0 so the limit x tends to 0 e to the power 1 by x minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x plus 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power 1 by h minus 1 by e to the power 1 by h minus 1 so एबे तो हमें लिमिट काढने पर कांदला जदि मैं 0 पुट कर देने infinity minus 1 by infinity minus 1 आसी h इतर वैल्यू आसीगला इनफिनिटी e to the power 1 by 0 that is e to the power infinity is equal to infinity तार लगे हमें काना करमा सो इस जगह हमर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट ता हेतला -1 लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू माइनस सो इस जगह काना करमा e to the power 1 by h ता कॉमन आने पता so this implies or this is equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power 1 by h ता कॉमन आने पता so रहबा कहते e to the power 1 by h ऊपर कॉमन आने तो हला कहते 1 minus e to the power -1 by h similarly तलु में e to the power 1 by h ता कॉमन आने पकाने so रहबा कहते e to the power 1 by h this is 1 minus e to the power -1 by h okay so e to the power 1 by h e to the power 1 by h cancel out हो गया so limit h tends to 0 1 minus e to the power -1 by e to the power limit h tends to 0 e to the power -1 by h का वैल्यू जस्ट लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट का लेवल काढ देना सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 सो इतर वैल्यू आसे गेला 0 इतर वैल्यू आसे गेला सो 0 सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 by 1 such 1 which is not equal to so our left hand limit केते आस्तिला -1 which is not equal to left hand limit अच्छा right hand limit ता 1 और left hand limit ता असला -1 समान में से so limit not exist hence the function f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 0 okay